The Chief Minister also, he has an official residence in Panji. I invite him to stay in this residence for 2 days and suffer what the people of Panji are suffering. Today, tankers also are not available. There is some sort of tanker mafia being run in Panji, where only if you call certain numbers, you get a water supply. There is no tanker supply available with PWD. The waiting list has gone to 600. I don't know when that water will actually reach. So who is taking responsibility for supplying at least drinking water to the people of Panji? Neither the Minister of PWD nor the Chief Minister has taken any responsibility. The Chief Minister must now take action. There are a lot of laws and powers in his hands. There is ESMA, which is Essential Services Management Act. There is State Disaster Management Agency. All these powers and resources are at the Chief Minister's disposal. He should stop whatever he is doing right now and focus on this, because it is becoming a crisis that is going from bad to worse. 6 days people of Panji have stayed without water. Another 1 or 2 days and things will get really dangerous, both for the people and I believe also for the administration.
How do you view the blame game being played by current minister and previous minister? One claiming that it's fault of engineers, another that it's fault of HIA.
It is the fault of both actually. But whosever fault it is, the victim is still suffering. By assigning fault in the media, the problem does not get solved. They need to work together. Today there is a crisis. It is an emergency situation in Panji. They need to work together, whether it is the previous minister, current minister, future minister, does not matter who you are. If you are an elected representative of the people, please stop politics. Leave aside all your campaigning opportunities and work for the people and get water in the taps today. After that, do all your politics again.
And as a person who has also contested as a candidate for Ranjit Singh, so do you think that government's priorities have been always different, not providing basic facilities or not concentrating on that?
Absolutely, and we have seen just hardly 15 days ago, Panji was flooded. Water was overflowing. That was one basic service that was not provided: prevention of flooding, cleaning of drainage. And today, the reverse is happening. There is absolutely no water. There is still water on the streets and in puddles and in marshes, but there is no water in the taps for use for drinking or for bathing.